What's up, YouTube viewers? I'm going to do a song I wrote in high school in 1998. I wrote the lyrics way before Counting Cars, Fast and Loud, Gas Monkey Garage started Fast and Loud. I don't know how many years ago, but this song I wrote way before I started watching Fast and Loud and before I even knew about Gas Monkey Garage. So everyone excited for the Super Bowl tomorrow? Any good Super Bowl parties? What you should do is email Z98, go to z98rocks.com, send them an email that you would like to hear DSD solo on the Underground tomorrow night for Sunday night. See if they'll play me during the Super Bowl on the radio. That would be pretty cool if they would, for a change. I haven't heard us yet, me and the Crush, Justin and Jesse backing me up back then. I haven't heard us on Z98 yet. It's alright. So I'm going to play a song. I'm a little shaky because my setup isn't what I hope it would be. Let's see here. I'm a little shaky. just watch me do that with Justin and Jesse, a 6-6 crush. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart money on the Broncos tomorrow night. I wouldn't be surprised if they end up getting beat by Seattle at the last second. That would be sweet. Oh, I would love to see Peyton Manning go down like that, but smart money on the Broncos. I've been saying since week 3 or week 4 that the Broncos are going to win the whole thing tomorrow. But most likely, knowing my luck, Seattle will probably pull it out at the end. Oh well, I guess we'll wait and see tomorrow. Thanks again for watching me. Remember, if you want to hear some of my better stuff, check out my older videos and my videos with Justin and Jesse from 2011. Rock on!